My name is Gabe and I've been investing with EquityMultiple for 6 years. I work in ad tech. I've been at TikTok the past 3 years, and prior to that, I was at Google for about 9.5 years. My investing journey is mainly in real estate. I started off small, investing in a duplex, and then eventually started to pave way to investing in more properties. You know, it's an asset class that is a lot more stable compared to, you know, the overall stock market, which is subject to a lot more speculation. The overall goal is to increase in overall appreciation as well as in cash flow. What I really like about EquityMultiple is that all of the investments that are brought on to investors like myself have already been very highly curated. You know, it decreases, you know, that risk for the investors. And the other area that I appreciate is that EquityMultiple themselves actually are part investors in that investment as well. So the risk is also shared. You know, if they don't believe in it, like, they wouldn't be investing in it as well. I was very surprised to see all kinds of different more niche type of investments available in EquityMultiple. So for example, one asset class that I had invested in a while back was manufactured homes in Michigan, which returned very well. Another favorite of mine are car washes, a asset class that continued to cash flow even during the pandemic. Yeah, there's just so many that are out there, and you know, something that's available for the different types of risk levels for investors, and whether if you're going for a really strong capital appreciation and preferred equity versus, you know, going for something that's more debt focused and you know, having something that's more of a stream of, you know, like monthly income. The investments I've made in EquityMultiple have been very good in terms of strong returns, so I'm very happy with the overall platform.